This is the kind of thing that needs to be worked through in therapy because the brain is complex, we're complex, and there's multiple things that need to happen to help you heal from this. Some of that includes retraining your nervous system and rewiring your brain and working through past trauma responses, deactivating triggers, things like that. And I know it sounds like a lot, and sometimes healing is, but it's so much better than the alternative, I promise. But a few thoughts for you to think on. Active dissociating happens when we feel we cannot escape and there is danger or harm that is happening or about to happen to us. And so we retreat. We go in, we check out. Some of us have out-of-body experiences. We don't feel like ourselves. We feel like we're watching ourselves. Some of us feel like we go deep inside. This is why safety is so vital in healing, because the more safety you cultivate, the less likely this is to happen. But you want to understand what the threat is, why your brain is perceiving such danger. You want to work on helping it to understand if there is no real threat, that there is no real threat. Once you're checked out, the way to come back is to do things like grounding exercises. If you're aware that you're starting to dissociate and you have some control over it, doing grounding exercises, breathing exercises, talking to yourself, touching things can help to keep you in the present moment. Time and consistency is going to make a big difference. But a lot of this also has to do with increasing your distress tolerance. You check out because your brain and body can't handle the level of distress you're feeling. If you can increase that, you'll stay present more often, and it's kind of like building a muscle. But this isn't something that you should or want to do alone, and it takes time to walk through some of it. But you can absolutely do it, and you should, because you're worth it and deserve all the best. Keep going.